Well, we have an update on the Trevor Colip situation or injury report, whatever you want to call it. And on the screen, a couple different pictures. There'll be the past updates or past whatever you want to call it from, I'm assuming Rachel Colip. I don't know if that's his mother or sister or somebody, whoever it is, but there'll be pictures like this one right here. This goes all the way back to the Hangtown 250A qualifying where he crashed and broke his femur. And since then, things have just seemed to go bad to worse. And the recent one, or most recent one, is from Rachel again saying, quote, Trevor is still in the hospital, now day 13. On Monday, Trevor went into surgery for the procedure to close the PFO in his heart. While the cardiac team was confident of a PFO hole from doing the TFE and TEE procedures previously, which led them to this surgery, they found during the procedure that the area believed to be a PFO was actually not open at the end. They then ran multiple other tests to further diagnose and then believed he had a PAVMS. I'm not a doctor. I don't know what these mean, but which are leak paths in the lungs. On Wednesday, Trevor had a similar surgical procedure to go into the lungs to find and repair the believed leaks. No leak paths were able to be identified. At this time, the leak path allowing fatty emboli to the brain has not been identified or resolved. As a result, the femur surgery has been postponed due to the risk of releasing more fatty emboli, which could result in more brain damage. In the interim, we are working with the multiple teams of doctors to determine if there are any other action to take to protect the brain in advance of femur surgery. While the road ahead for neurological recovery is uncertain and could be quite long, Trevor has been showing signs of improvement over the last week, and every effort possible is being taken to prevent further damage. Our sincerest thank you to everyone across the country and beyond who are praying and have reached out with encouragement. Please continue to pray and provide encouragement through to Trevor Colip and the family, Rachel. And I don't know, I haven't seen a road to recovery or any sort of donation page or anything along those lines. So if any of you have seen one or you know of one, comment it down below in the comments, because this is going to be expensive. 13 days in the hospital on a loan with multiple surgeries. We're talking a lot of money here. So if you find or if you know of any road recoveries or anything like that, comment them down below. And as this continues to go, I will continue to update you and hopefully with better news.